Arhaus is a well-known furniture brand that provides high-quality, handcrafted pieces with a focus on style and durability. If you're considering adding an Arhaus sofa to your home, here's a breakdown of the benefits and drawbacks. Pros: beautiful designs. Arhaus offers a wide range of sofa styles, from classic and traditional to modern and contemporary. You're sure to find something that complements your aesthetic. Superior craftsmanship. Arhaus sofas are built with care, using premium materials. They emphasize solid wood frames, durable fabrics, and meticulous construction. Comfort. Comfort is prioritized in Arhaus sofas. You'll find options with plush cushions, deep seating, and supportive backrests for ultimate relaxation. Customization. Many Arhaus sofas can be customized with a selection of fabrics, leathers, colors, and configurations, allowing you to create a piece that perfectly suits your space and personal style. White glove delivery. Arhaus often includes white glove delivery service, ensuring hassle-free delivery and setup of your new sofa. Cons. Price. Arhaus sofas are an investment and come at a premium price point. Fabric durability. While some Arhaus fabrics are high quality, others may be prone to pilling or fading over time, especially with heavy use. Consider their performance fabrics for greater durability. Cushion maintenance. Down-filled cushions, common in Arhaus sofas, tend to require frequent fluffing to retain their shape. Limited protection plans. Their protection plans may not cover all types of damage or discoloration. Carefully review the terms before purchasing. Lead times. Some customized sofas may have longer lead times depending on fabric choices and current demand. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.